gentlemen, Bula and Namaste Chandra Mission Dharampur, a global organization committed to enhancing the spiritual the way they respond to this setbacks. That's what sets them apart. Impression that right and binding. His words went straight home.
Gurudev, Assistant Minister for Health and Medical Services, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, Namaskaram, Assalamu Alaikum, and a very good evening to all of you. It's indeed an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to be here to officiate at today's event, the much anticipated Namaste Pacific Festival of India. Ladies and gentlemen, in celebrating the Republic of India's 70th year of independence on the 15th of August this year, various cultural programs, tourism promotion events, seminars and conferences were organized by the government of India, which were held in India and abroad. For this reason, the High Commission of India in Suva belatedly announced Namaste Pacifika Festival of India to be held here in Fiji and 6 other important Pacific countries of concurrent jurisdiction to the High Commission, and they are the Cook Islands, Kiribati, Nauru, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Vanuatu. Ladies and gentlemen, for Fiji, the inaugural ceremony was held in October this year at Novotel in Lamy, which was officiated by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Fiji, Major General Retired George Conrote. And I've been informed that under the banner of Namaste Pacifika, a group of renowned Indian artists will present Yog Purush. It is a drama depicting a special relationship between Mahatma Gandhi and his spiritual mentor, Srimad Rajchandra. Their relationship laid the foundation of India's independence. And according to the great leader of non-violent independence movement and the greatest anti-war activist, Gandhiji, most of the lessons on self-improvement, on truth and non-violence he learned were from the teachings of Srimad Rajchandraji. To love the murderer was one of the maxims of non-violence Gandhiji learned from Srimadji. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot that one can learn from these two great philosophers, activists, saints, and heroes of India, whose teachings on non-violence, on sympathy, on forgiveness, and piety for all living beings have not only influenced India, but the whole world. I therefore encourage all of us to continue to acknowledge and to recognize the significance and the value of the teachings by Srimad Rajchandraji and Mahatma Gandhiji. Furthermore, I also urge all of us to share at the same time and pass down these teachings to our children, so they too could pass on these valuable and life-rewarding teachings to their children. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji has always valued and respected its relations with India and attributes great value to the bilateral relations that exist between our two nations. With India being the world's biggest democracy and with India's ever-increasing influence on global affairs, Fiji looks to India for leadership on the great issues of our time. Moreover, Fiji is appreciative of the many forms of assistance that we have received from the government of India and the goodwill that India has shown towards us. However, Fiji also looks forward to strengthening our already close bilateral ties and exploring new avenues of cooperation. And there are a number of areas that we believe offer opportunities for both our nations to collaborate further. And this includes obviously economic cooperation in energy and healthcare and defense and building resilience against natural disasters, to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm confident that the true spirit of friendship and cooperation that provides the unbreakable bond between the two nations and its people will be further strengthened in years to come. And as we especially welcome India's stated intention to engage more closely with the Pacific Island nations and play a greater role in our region. And coming back to today's event, while the festival, ladies and gentlemen, is a mega affair with over 50 events involving close to 125 artists, it will spread over a period of 6 months, and Namaste Pacifika would showcase all the major facets of Indian culture, as we will feature renowned Indian artists of various art forms from all over India. There will also be yoga workshops, seminars and conferences on the subjects of historical and cultural importance. The festival will basically feature something special for every taste and every preferred choice. And having said that, the Fiji government wholeheartedly supports this event, as all the proceeds from Yok Purush will support the construction of a new 200-bed multi-specialty hospital in India. I therefore urge everyone also to support this great cause. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not a long night for speeches, so with those few words, I wish the organizers of Namaste Pacifika Festival of India all the very best, and I hope you all have an enjoyable evening. And whilst I'm here, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Shukriya, thank you very much.
सही रास्ता ही दिखाएंगे और वही कहेंगे जो उनके अंतर में होगा। और इसीलिए आध्यात्मिक संकट के समय में मैं हमेशा उनका आश्रय लेता था। और नायक भाई
जी बापू,
आपके पिता गांडा भाई तो इस बात के साक्षी थे।
जी बापू, मुझे तो श्रीमद राजचंद्र जी से मिलने का मौका नहीं मिला, किंतु पिताजी के मुख से कई बार उनके बारे में सुना जरूर है।
लगता है बाहर भीड़ बढ़ रही है, हमें वहां पहुंचना चाहिए।
जी जी,
प्रणाम बापू।
प्रणाम बापू।
राम 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 राम।
बापू, हमें भी श्रीमद जी के बारे में बताइए ना।
हाँ, लेकिन अभी अगर आप आराम करना चाहें तो हम बाद में बात करेंगे।
उनके बारे में बातें करूं तो सारी थकावट दूर हो जाती है। उनकी स्मरण कथा में एक अलग ही आनंद मिलता है। चलिए, आज मैं आपको मिलवाता हूं मेरे कवि श्री से। रायचंद भाई